get to know your body in terms of your measurements, looking at the clothes you already have in your closet, looking at the sizing that the clothing that you already have is in. You will exist within a certain size range. I would say the most important measurements to know for female bodies are bust, waist, and hips. If you feel like clothing generally doesn't fit you in certain parts of your body, just knowing that about yourself, those would also be important measurements that you should know. As far as quality, we're talking about fabrics, natural fabrics, anything that comes from the earth essentially and isn't man-made. Those things are gonna feel better on your body. They're gonna be more breathable. They may be more expensive depending on where you're buying the item from, and generally speaking are just gonna be more desirable because of the fact that they are natural. On the flip side, we have synthetic fabrics, which are extremely popular because of the fact that they're easily produced and they're easily produced at a cheap cost. You won't find that many natural materials in clothing that is mass produced. The majority of items that you're going to be getting in your fast fashion stores, as far as synthetic materials go, the most common are polyester, nylon, rayon, acetate, and spandex.